What if I told you that Elon Musk just revealed a battery technology so revolutionary that it could single-handedly end China's dominance in the electric vehicle market? In today's video, we're diving deep into Tesla's groundbreaking 2026 super aluminum-ion battery, a technological marvel that promises to deliver over 820 miles of range, charge faster than anything we've seen before, and last for over 15,000 charge cycles. But here's the kicker. It's completely independent of Chinese materials and could reshape the entire global energy landscape. And if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal how Tesla's secret weapon, a revolutionary factory in Alaska, is about to turn the battery manufacturing world upside down and potentially save American drivers thousands of dollars. Welcome back to Tesla Daily News, where we bring you the latest breakthroughs in electric vehicle technology. If you're excited about the future of sustainable transportation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge Tesla updates. Elon Musk has just dropped what might be the most significant announcement in Tesla's history, and it's sending shockwaves through the entire automotive industry. The super aluminum-ion battery isn't just another incremental improvement. It's a complete reimagining of how electric vehicle batteries should work. This technology poses such a significant threat to current battery manufacturers that some industry experts are calling it a potential death blow to traditional lithium-ion battery production. The timing of this announcement couldn't be more strategic. With global tensions rising and supply chain vulnerabilities exposed, Tesla has positioned itself to become completely independent from foreign battery materials. This isn't just about building better cars. It's about reshaping the entire geopolitical landscape of energy production and consumption. For years, electric vehicle manufacturers have been fighting a three-front war against the fundamental limitations of battery technology. First, there's range anxiety, the constant worry that your car won't make it to the next charging station. Second, charging speed has been painfully slow, turning what should be quick pit stops into extended breaks. Third, battery degradation has meant that after just a few years, your expensive electric vehicle's battery pack starts losing significant capacity. Traditional lithium-ion batteries have tried to address these issues, but they've always required painful compromises. Want more range? You need a heavier, more expensive battery pack. Want faster charging? You risk damaging the battery and reducing its lifespan. Want longer battery life? You have to accept slower charging speeds and shorter range. But Tesla's super aluminum-ion battery claims to solve all three problems simultaneously. Here's where it gets mind-blowing. This revolutionary battery can achieve an astonishing 820-mile range using just a 55 kilowatt-hour pack. To put that in perspective, most current electric vehicles need battery packs twice that size to achieve half the range. We're talking about a complete paradigm shift in energy density and efficiency. The secret lies in what Tesla calls dynamic self-balancing power clusters. Instead of treating the battery as one large unit, this technology breaks it down into thousands of tiny microclusters that can communicate with each other and optimize energy distribution in real time. Think of it like having a smart grid inside your battery pack, where each cluster can adjust its output based on demand and driving conditions. These microclusters don't just improve efficiency, they fundamentally extend battery life by reducing internal stress. When you accelerate hard or climb a steep hill, instead of the entire battery working overtime, only the necessary clusters activate, while others remain in a low-stress state. This intelligent load distribution means your battery experiences significantly less wear and tear during everyday driving. One of the most impressive aspects of this technology is how it tackles the age-old problem of battery degradation. Traditional batteries suffer from dendrite formation, essentially harmful crystal structures that grow inside the battery over time and reduce its capacity. It's like rust forming inside your battery, gradually eating away at its performance. Tesla's aluminum-ion technology uses an innovative approach to suppress dendrite formation almost entirely. The aluminum chemistry is inherently more stable than lithium, and combined with Tesla's proprietary electrolyte formulation, it creates an environment where these harmful structures simply can't take hold. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a fundamental solution to one of the biggest problems plaguing electric vehicle batteries. The thermal management system deserves special attention because it's unlike anything we've seen before. Instead of trying to cool the entire battery pack uniformly, Tesla's system can selectively manage temperature at the microcluster level. This means that hotspots can be cooled instantly, while other areas maintain optimal operating temperature, preventing thermal runaway and extending battery life dramatically. All of this culminates in Tesla's bold claim of over 15,000 charge cycles. To understand how revolutionary this is, consider that most current electric vehicle batteries start showing significant degradation after about 1,000 to 2,000 charge cycles. We're talking about a battery that could potentially last 15 times longer than what's currently available. For the average driver, this means a battery that could last 30 years or more without significant capacity loss. But here's where Tesla's strategy gets truly brilliant. While other manufacturers are still dependent on Chinese lithium supplies and processing, Tesla has been quietly building what they call Cold Forge 1, a revolutionary battery manufacturing facility in Alaska. This isn't just about geographic diversification. It's about leveraging Alaska's unique climate to create a massive competitive advantage. The cold Alaskan environment dramatically reduces the energy costs associated with battery manufacturing. Traditional battery production requires enormous amounts of energy for cooling systems during the manufacturing process. In Alaska, Tesla can use the natural cold climate to achieve the same results with a fraction of the energy consumption. This translates directly into lower production costs and reduced environmental impact. Cold Forge 1 is designed specifically for aluminum-ion battery production, with manufacturing processes that are optimized for the unique properties of aluminum chemicals. The facility uses advanced automation and AI-driven quality control systems that can monitor and adjust production parameters in real time, ensuring consistent quality while minimizing waste. The strategic implications of this Alaska facility extend far beyond just cost savings. By establishing domestic production capabilities, Tesla is positioning America to become completely independent from foreign battery materials. Aluminum is abundant in the United States, and unlike lithium, it doesn't require complex processing chains that are currently dominated by Chinese companies. This shift to aluminum-ion technology represents America's path to true energy independence. The United States has vast aluminum reserves and well-established aluminum production infrastructure. By transitioning away from lithium-ion technology, Tesla is effectively cutting the cord on one of the most vulnerable aspects of the electric vehicle supply chain. The job creation potential is staggering. Cold Forge 1 is expected to employ thousands of workers directly. But the ripple effects through the aluminum supply chain could create tens of thousands of additional jobs across mining, processing, and manufacturing sectors. This isn't just about building batteries, it's about rebuilding American manufacturing capabilities in a critical technology sector. From a national security perspective, this development is incredibly significant. Battery technology has become a cornerstone of modern military and civilian infrastructure. By achieving domestic production capabilities with domestic materials, the United States reduces its vulnerability to supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions that could affect battery supplies. The impact on the Chinese electric vehicle market could be absolutely devastating. China has built its EV industry dominance largely on controlling the lithium supply chain and offering competitive pricing through government subsidies and lower labor costs. But if Tesla can produce aluminum-ion batteries at significantly lower costs while delivering superior performance, it could completely undermine China's competitive advantage. Consider the mathematics. If Tesla can reduce battery production costs by 40 to 50% while improving performance, they could potentially undercut Chinese EV prices by thousands of dollars per vehicle. This isn't just about competing, it's about making Chinese electric vehicles economically unviable in global markets. Industry analysts are predicting that this technology could reduce Chinese EV exports by millions of units annually. Countries that have been importing Chinese electric vehicles might find domestic or American alternatives suddenly much more attractive, both economically and strategically. This could trigger a massive shift in global automotive trade patterns. The broader implications for China's EV industry are profound. Chinese manufacturers have invested billions in lithium-ion production infrastructure and supply chains. If the market shifts to aluminum-ion technology, much of this investment could become stranded assets. Chinese companies would need to completely retool their manufacturing processes and supply chains to remain competitive. Tesla's aluminum-ion breakthrough is reshaping the entire global energy landscape in ways that extend far beyond just electric vehicles. This technology could revolutionize energy storage for renewable power generation, making solar and wind power more reliable and cost-effective. Imagine solar installations that can store energy for weeks instead of hours, or wind farms that can provide consistent power output regardless of weather conditions. The implications for other automakers are equally significant. Companies that have invested heavily in lithium-ion technology and Chinese supply chains may find themselves at a severe disadvantage. They'll need to either license Tesla's technology, develop their own alternatives, or risk being left behind in an increasingly competitive market. This technology could accelerate electric vehicle adoption globally by addressing the three main barriers that have prevented mass adoption: range anxiety, charging time, and battery replacement costs. If Tesla can deliver on their promises, we might see electric vehicles become not just competitive with gasoline cars, but clearly superior in every meaningful metric. The environmental benefits are equally impressive. Aluminum is infinitely recyclable, and the mining and processing of aluminum have a much lower environmental impact than lithium extraction. Combined with the longer lifespan of aluminum-ion batteries, this technology could significantly reduce the environmental footprint of electric vehicles over their entire life cycle. Tesla's super-aluminum-ion battery represents more than just a technological breakthrough. It's a complete reimagining of how we think about energy storage, manufacturing, and global supply chains. By combining revolutionary chemistry with strategic manufacturing location and domestic materials, Tesla has created a perfect storm that could fundamentally alter the balance of power in the global automotive industry. The next few years will be crucial in determining whether Tesla can deliver on these ambitious promises. If they succeed, we're looking at a future where American-made electric vehicles dominate global markets, where drivers never worry about range or charging time, and where China's grip on the battery supply chain is permanently broken. The revolution is just beginning, and Tesla is leading the charge. Make sure to subscribe to Tesla Daily News so you don't miss any updates on this incredible technology as it develops. The future of transportation is being written right now, and you're witnessing history in the making.